So what's up fams, welcome back. Obviously I got a haircut, and in today's video we're gonna be unboxing a mini katana keychain. So a lot of you guys in real life, only some of you guys have known, even though I'm not that popular, but some of you guys have been requesting buy that keychain, buy this keychain. So in today's video we have got a katana mini keychain sword, so we are gonna unbox it. Hopefully it's good. So first of all, if you guys haven't liked this, please like and subscribe, and let's get our channel to 1,000 subscribers for the first time. So first we have this beautiful Zoro katana. I don't know which one is it, but it is good, so we can just slide it over, and there we go. There we have our katana. This is our katana, bro. Just look at it. It is made out of metal, and the texture is very nice, and this is where you keep the katana. Obviously it should be protected, so they kept something so that the katana can go inside and be safe. So the katana is non-sharp, but here it says for the warning. Wait, where is it? Wait guys, let me just, okay, I just read it, and here it says warning. I don't know why the video shows it backwards, but it says not for children under 3 years. So if your kid is 2 or 3 years, don't buy it for them. So we can just do like this and keep it on your bag as a keychain. So we have bought these keychains, and I have recently bought another one that has a different sword, but it has a gun, all made out of metal. So I'm gonna do part 2 of unboxing this sword. So yeah, that might be it. So if you guys haven't liked this, please like and subscribe. I really want to become a famous YouTuber, so if you guys enjoy, please like and subscribe. Bye.